Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And this issue is the touchpad. So first method, click to start and go to setting, then click to Bluetooth and devices, slow down, find out touchpad, slow down, more touchpad setting. Okay, now this is okay, this is the option. So come back, so just click on reset. Okay, and then close it. Click on start, then type cmd, run as administrator, right click to, after that click on yes. Then this 4 command I will give you in the descriptions. This is most important for the resolve the issue. Just copy and type it. If it is not copy, so you have to type to manual. So this is first command, and all the 100% completed. After that try next command, so it is completed. Then next, first, second, third and fourth, so one by one try it. So if it is stuck, so you just click here and then type enter. Okay, and then restart your system and then check it.